Hypnotic was, I felt like I was in such a hypnotic state. I was just dancing with the gong. I felt like I'd become one with the gong. It was just, I nearly fell over. I was that in the moment.
So how have you found the training so far?
Oh, wonderful. I'm so grateful. You're really knowledgeable. I'm so grateful that you've shared everything that you have, and I've been practicing at home, so I'm getting better and better. And
So where do you think you might take the gongs from after this experience?
After the last two, the gong puja and the night we did last night, I have to keep doing this. I can't stop.
And how have you found the modules and the training? Because you've done level 1 and level 2.
Yep.
And how have you found them both?
Awesome. Yeah. Really easy to follow. It's all there to go back on when I'm practicing, say, at home. So yeah, awesome. Thank you.
That's awesome. Thank you, Annie. Thanks for sharing.
Thank you, Lee. Thank you.